Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Jaybird Run buds. Okay, so as you can see, they appears on available devices list, and when I try to connect them, I will have information that pairing is rejected. So how we can fix that problem? First of all, I can recommend you to simply go back from the boot settings, turn them off, and right now grab your earbuds, put them to this charging case, close this case for a few seconds until this indicators on the front turns on, then open this case, remove both earbuds from the case, and then click and hold these two buttons until indicators turns red. Right now, click and hold one more time until indicators starts blinking quickly green. Just like that. Next, put them close to your phone, go to pair new device, select them from the list, accept pairing request, and as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.